Brayden, do you want that car? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna crawl to get that car? The car is just out of your reach. How are you gonna get it? How are you gonna get it? Stretching is important. How about crawling? Hi, baby. I'm gonna get down on your level. Hi, sweetheart. You wanna crawl? Oh, there's Lamper. Hi, Lamper. Can you crawl, Brayden? Not yet, but almost. He wants that car. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, baby? Kick the legs? That helps, but I don't think it's gonna work quite on land. That's good in the water. Hi, honey. You got it! Good job. Good job. Now you can turn around. There's Teddy Bear. Teddy Bear. Hi, Teddy Bear. Wow, you can totally turn around, that's for sure. And he's studying this part of the activity mat, the control for the music, studying it because he wants to know how it works. He always plays with that. Hi, baby. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome Brayden. Hey, baby. What you looking at? What you looking at, honey? You trying to figure that out? How does that work? Wants to open it up and figure it out. True engineer from the start. You want to get it out of there first of all. Open it up, figure it out. Yeah, there you made it make music. This is Brayden and playtime. The little legs going. The legs have to move, move, move. Hi, sweetheart. Brayden. Hello?